Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and overview of this infrared thermometer. I got this at Harbor Freight. Obviously if you've shopped at Harbor Freight, you know they have at this point just a bunch of random names for their products. This one, I assume it's pronounced Ames. Uh, where I live, there used to be an Ames, so I'm not sure if it's pronounced differently or if that's like it's supposed to be a little I in there or something, but or a comma MES, I don't know. Doesn't really matter. But I got it because it was $25. I've been wanting to get an infrared thermometer for quite a while. There's not too much on the packaging here, but it does say it goes from -58 Fahrenheit to over 1,000 degrees. So that's pretty impressive. It does need a 9-volt battery, and they don't give you one. So I found one, so for now I'll just use that to get this set up and tested. But I've been looking for an infrared thermometer for quite a while. Hopefully I can do this without scratching the device. But again, $25, and I don't think their coupons come by as much these days, but I'm fearing for my life right now. But it's still not a bad price, because years ago I would look and see a lot of these infrareds would go for, over $20 years ago, so 5 more for hopefully something that's decent quality. I hate this type of blister packaging too. So I can already say I just like the build of it. It's like a soft touch, and I'm not sure if that'll deteriorate over time. And triggers, and then I guess there's some type of conversion here that you want to be between 1 and 4 feet from what you're aiming at. And I guess this is probably the battery. So that's pretty nice. It's on a hinge so it won't fall off. So I'll go ahead and get this battery in here. So one thing I instantly picked up on is that I guess there wasn't a ribbon in here, and there's really no easy way to get this 9-volt back out. I mean, you can kind of get under it a little bit because there's a little bit of wiggle room. So maybe you can dig up under here, or if you put it in the other way. But you don't want to really pull on the wires if you don't have to, so that's not the most convenient. But there should have either been a groove or a ribbon. And it is a backlit display, which is nice. So you have that. There's Celsius, Fahrenheit. I would imagine there's other functions that can be done on here. So this is for the laser, just to help you see where you're aimed at, which isn't a bad idea. I'll have to check in real quick to see if there are any instructions included. And if you remove this from the packaging, there is an instruction manual so I can know what all those buttons are for. So we'll go ahead. Pretty simple, and I'm kind of surprised that it's all in English. But consult with that and come back. So there's really not that much that can be done on here. I guess it's activated by pulling the trigger. And select, just refuse your max and minimum values. The arrows just change between Fahrenheit and Celsius unless you hold select. And then you can change that, I think it's emissive number. You can see that's what it's preset to. And then this is for the laser. But I'm not going to mess with that, at least the way it is. I'd imagine it's probably pretty accurate to begin with. So it just says scan until you're done holding it. So I'm pretty impressed with it. Has a good response time. I like you can turn the laser on and off, and then I also like where you have a backlit display. So one thing I'll test is this cold water I have here. Until it's kind of hard to keep it. And then I have a heater over here, which, so you can see, I'd say it's pretty accurate. Just from playing around with it real quick. But again, I'm not really gonna professionally test this. It's just to get ballpark figures. I like that you do have a decimal, so I'm not sure how the minimum and max unless I'm doing too many readings at once. But I'm pretty impressed with this. So for $25, it's not a bad deal. I guess it's called Ames, but it's from Harbor Freight for $25. Decent build quality. It seems to perform well. So long as it lasts for the few instances where I'll need one, I'm glad to have it. So hopefully that was helpful to you. It's not definitely worth checking out if you're looking for an infrared thermometer. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.